A severe
it took about 15-20 minutes to get everybody out, but they were...
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
We have to start over, I guess. What can you do?
And you've got a little damage of your own right over there, but not too bad, right?
Not real bad. It kind of blowed some stuff apart. But nothing that I can't
My
fix
little girl,
over there.
come up here and lay on
Most
that.
of it. Which I'm glad. I mean, I'm glad everybody's safe.
Glad you made it out okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Steve, thanks. And
Right.
so, undetermined whether exactly these were straight line winds. The National Weather Service will take a look and see if they can determine exactly what type of winds went through here. But some damage, some trees, some other houses damaged. Also, a chicken house that had chickens in it caught fire, and the firefighters were able to put that out. But a lot of stories like this around here, and the irony is that this comes nearly exactly to the day, which tomorrow actually is the 5th year anniversary of a tornado very near here, a big bad one in Henryville, Indiana. I'm Scott Newell, back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Scott. Still to come, the severe weather threat pushing into the southeast right now. The timing of windstorms could hit your area. That's coming up after the break. Stay with us.
Hey, Jen.
Hey, Jim.
What's going on?
I'm just looking for a movie on Xfinity X1. Show me movies about weather.